Welcome to our channel. Today we how to check BCBS benefits balance online, member guide step. To check your BCBS benefits balance online, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type in the official BCBS website URL and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the member login option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the member login link. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the required area. If you have forgotten your login credentials, click on the Forgot Username or Password link for assistance. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. Once logged in, navigate to the Benefits or My Coverage section on your dashboard. In this section, you should see an overview of your benefits. Locate the option that says View Benefits Balance or similar wording. Click on that link to access your benefits balance details. Review the balance information presented on the screen. If you need a detailed statement, look for a print or download option. To log out, return to the top right corner and click on the Logout button. Make sure to close your browser for security reasons after you finish. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.